But they might, you know, they might look after you for you, like, you know.
Yes.
You don't stop here.
No.
Is anybody using this station?
Yes, aye, it's quite popular actually. We picked them up this morning when I come up with Delsman going up.
Yeah.
There's talk of them putting Steeton and Connolly back, you know.
Well, I'm surprised I haven't done it before now. It's right in the middle of the village. They should never have closed it.
No.
What about Saltaire? Is anything happening there?
They reckon that there's one to be put there as well. Oh, the what? It was on the cards. Whether it's been cancelled again, I don't know.
But Connolly should never have been shut.
Get off here at Bingley and walk right away across the moors to Ilkley. You like walking? I used to go Manchester's, Liverpool's, Llandudno's and all them.
Oh yes.
Blackpool's, all the west coast.
Did you get up to Carlisle?
No, we didn't go to Carlisle from my shed. Oh, the shed where I'm at now used to do Carlisle's. We used to go down North Wales and them places.
Yes, I've worked out the time will be 2 minutes short for the whole trip. It's a 3-hour trip, but 3-hour time, 3 hours and 2 minutes on the train.
So what are you going to do then?
I'm going to bang a spare one in the last 2 minutes.
Oh. We could always tell them to break the speed limit and get there 3 minutes quicker, couldn't you?
Good job. Which I'm happy to tell you, because sometimes the tapes are set for the hour.
Well, you put the fare on with this, haven't you?
Hey!
This is a quarter fare, he did for this job.
This thing will spend most of its days running down from Carlisle to Barrow and back.
Ah. You'll have to take some time to build some speed up.
Well, I must say, this last 2 years, the stock's been in much better condition than it was before. We've never had a breakdown.
Ah.
But before that, they were breaking down every trip.
Yeah.
There was one day we arrived in Leeds with 2 Class 33s in front and a 2-car DMU behind.
That would do it. Yes, Beth? Are you getting some? Right, Mary's been very good today. Got to be gentle with Mary because she's 104 years old. That's Mary down there.
Oh, yeah. Some Kazakhstan,
That's her.
Shipley Glen over there.
Oh yeah.
You can get over to Otleyfoot over there by walking.
Is that little railway still operating?
I don't know, I haven't been for a number of years. This is Saltaire,
Yeah.
and there isn't a public house in Saltaire.
No, it was built by a staunch Congregationalist,
That's
wasn't it?
right, yeah, this is his church. He built this church, he built the whole village.
St. Josiah Salt.
That's right. That's the fella.
One of the first model villages, or model towns.
That was his mill there,
Yeah,
and these were all his houses
yeah.
for the mill workers. There isn't a public house in Saltaire at all. There's some in Shipley, but not in Saltaire.
Not even now.
Not even now.
It's amazing.
And in that day, these would be very advanced houses, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
Look all right now, actually.
That way work station, what you
Yes.
say?
I can remember it. We lived at Lothersdale in the early 1960s,
Yeah.
when you could still get a train from Skipton to Leeds via Ilkley.
That's right. Well, that railway's pulled out now.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Interesting, isn't it?
But a much faster crossover here than what they put on the corner, you see. It was a very tight corner, and it was a 10 mile an hour speed restriction on it. On the turn out when it was on the corner, put it in there, down to 40. Then appears to be down here, on the left hand track. But with the tightness of the curve, it was a 10 mile an hour speed.
Yes, babe? Super. It's absolutely smashing, babe.
Go down there to Leeds. That way.
How far is Leeds from here?
About what, 9 mile. 9 mile if it's that.
Daddy,
Yes, babe?
the papers would work if it didn't melt.
I'm sure you're right. Still a heck of a curve, isn't it?
I took a lot of it out though.
There's an old steam engine down here, I don't know what it belongs to.
Oh, yes, I do.
Really working on it anyway.
Still a scrapyard. What do you think you might find? Smashing, babe. A snack or two there. 11:29. We're down the coast road thing today. Yes, babe?
Where did Manningham Loco Depot used to be? Was it in about here somewhere?
I'll show you when I get down to it. We're all about here, where that colour light is.
Oh, yes.
Just the right size, but isn't it?
All this, you know, I think all this was part of it.
Yeah.
All over there.
Alright.
To sell that much land, you have to study where they were.
Tremendous houses there.
Victoriana.
Yeah, we're all around here where they built this trading estate.
Oh, yes. I haven't been in Forster Square station since about 1965.
No,
They tell me it's just like an unstaffed hut now.
it is. It is. This gentleman was asking if he could leave his equipment anywhere, but I don't think there's a left luggage room there at all. There's only a skeleton staff on.
Right.
In fact, they've sold a lot of it.
What's happened to the old exchange station? Did they knock it down? Have they?
Well, they've knocked most of it down, you know.
Because it was a magnificent roof, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Now they used to have a lot of parcels out here at one time. Is that all stopped as
That's
well?
all stopped, yeah.
So it's just the Ilkley and Keithley service. That's all that uses it, is it?
That's right, yeah.
Good Lord. When you think the Devonian used to start from here at one time?
Yeah, there's only one train goes in there in the morning.
What train's that then?
Just a goods train, just one goods train.
Aye.
And then it's only just a few, you know, a few wagons on for places. And it was, oh, there were loads and loads of parcels there at one time.
Looks as though we're using a platform that isn't often used.
Yeah. Well, it's booked to go in sidings, is this, but we can't get them in them sidings now. They aren't used enough.
Where are those electrics from?
Off of Guy Bridge,
Sheffield?
yeah, Penniston.
Penniston.
Close that railway down, you know.
Yeah.
We're going to make it, James.
Right, it's a while since there was anything down here.
They only use them 3 platforms.
Yeah. Yeah, what is great big station like this?
It's amazing, isn't it? Ghost station.
You know what the trouble is that, of course, they're not allowed to. The government won't allow them to cut the prices. This is all the problem. I mean, as we say, a train, it costs as much to run a full train as what it does to run an empty train.
There's far too much subsidy for road transport.
Yeah.
The Road Haulage Association far too strong for you.
Yeah.
Right, Bradford.
Magic.
Plenty
Thanks
of
very
tape
much indeed.
All right.
Tonight.
Okay, plenty of tape to spare too.